the Abdal of Syria will send salutations on you. And it turned my mind to some other titles like Ros, Kutab and Abdal and Dawliya and Sufya. So will you please kindly explain these titles? And secondly, are they mentioned in the Hadith? Please.
You want to understand the significance of different terms like Ros, Kutab, Abdal and so on. In fact, they are terms of Sufis. They, like the Quranic terminology of Nabi, Siddiq, Shaheed, Saleh, they have also made their own terminology into 4 ranks. The top among them is Kutab. And they say Qutb is a person, a holy person, on whom the fate of the entire world hinges. And according to their view, there has to be a Qutb in the world, or the whole world will be destroyed. Then next comes in order Ghaus, and then Abdal, and so on and so forth. I don't remember the 4th one. Just Wali, yes. So, why should we use that terminology? Normally, it is not to be preferred, but it has become a part and parcel of Islamic history now, and many people understand this. This is why perhaps it has been also used in Ilham. That is the Ilham you are referring to. And Abdaalusham means pious people from Syria, but it's not exactly the Sufi terminology that is used. Abdal means, in general terms, Abdal means pious people. They are pious people from Syria who will send the Islam to you, or dua will pray for you. Yaduna laka Abdaalusham. This is the I think as I remember correctly, this is the wording of that Islam. Yusalluna alayka, Yaduna bhi hai aadmi. Yaduna ye bhi aata hai na. Yusalluna bhi hai, Yaduna bhi hai. So anyway, you check it out. I remember both. So that may be a prophecy for the future to be fulfilled. But you must remember that Sham is not the present day Sham, which has been mentioned there. Most of the people commit this mistake that a word is used geographically to define a place, while after that usage of the word, the geography has changed. And later on people confine that word to the changed geography, which is wrong. For example, when Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam used the word Abnai Fars, Fars was a part of the greater Iranian Empire, which is now in Russia. So the present day Iran doesn't have that Fars area. Most of that area now is under Russian domination. So when Hazrat Masih Maud was revealed this, Syria was much greater than this, and the Palestinians were all a part of Syria. So this Ilham has been fulfilled with some prominence, because out of all the Arab world, it is the Syrians, that I mean the greater Syria of the time when this Ilham was revealed to Hazrat Masih Maud. Of all the Arabs, they are the people who have accepted Ahmadiyyat in large number, and they are foremost in their devotion and sacrifices for the sake of Ahmadiyyat. So that Ilham has partly been fulfilled, and even today 2 Syrians, that is the present day Palestinians, are sitting with us in this session. One is Mr. طاهر and the other is the present, yes please, the present President Mahmoud Auda. Yes please.
Syria or Sham, it means Syria, Lebanon, Palestine and Jordan.
That's what I mean.
Sham for Syria, it means
In those days, when this prophecy was made, the entire region belonged to one country, and that was called Syria. So Aleppo, I think, is called Aleppo.
Yeah, Aleppo in Syria.
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
Syria is now also a political denomination of the area, but Aleppo is a general term still used for the whole region.
Dimashq. Sham is Dimashq.
Yes. No, I'm talking of Aleppo or whatever the pronunciation is. Fine? For Halab?
Yes.
I see.
Is a province of Syria.
It's a province of Syria.
It's a province of Syria.
Right, right. That's only a province of Syria. But anyway, Syria is a term more broadly used in this revelation of Muslim Islam, and it comprises other present-day countries which form a part of Syria, which were a part of Syria previously. Now the second gentleman who wanted to ask something from that side, was it? No, before you, there was somebody else in that general direction. All right. Dr. Khan, shall we ask the boss?